First, marinate your beef with 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, half a beef bouillon cube, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose and complete seasoning, 1/2 teaspoons of turmeric for a few hours, preferably overnight. For this recipe, you'll need thyme, chopped green onions, an onion, chopped garlic, and hot pepper. You'll also need 4 peeled and chopped potatoes, and chopped tomatoes, and some chopped parsley. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of curry powder, 3 tablespoons of green seasoning, 2 tablespoons of jeera. Then add enough water to create a thick paste and give it a good mix. In an electric pressure cooker on medium heat and 3 tablespoons of oil, then add your curry paste and fry for about 5 minutes. Making sure to constantly mix so it doesn't burn. After that, add half of your herbs and scallions and saute for a few minutes. Next, add meat, give it a mix, and cook for a few minutes. Then add hot water, almost covering the meat and potatoes, or roughly 2.5 cups. And add the remaining scallions, tomatoes, herbs, and potatoes. Then add 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and seasoning salt, 1/2 teaspoons of black pepper, half a beef bouillon cube. Mix well, saute for a few minutes. Lastly, pressure for 15 minutes. Serve with white rice and enjoy.